Behind every wood carving, there is a story passed down from generation to generation. The wood carving art of China, which has existed for thousands of years, blends the beauty of nature with extraordinary craftsmanship. From natural motifs like flowers, dragons, to symbols of luck, each carving carries a deep meaning that reflects the philosophy and culture of China. With techniques that have been preserved and executed with precision, these wood artisans create works of art that serve not only as decoration but also as a valuable heritage. Chinese wood carving art, an eternal beauty, honors the past and celebrates art in every detail.